So does your wife get final say on every dish you put out?
Not the meat ones.
Does she not eat meat?
She does not.
No!
She's never had the Emmy
Shut
burger.
up! Where is she? Emmy has never had the Emmy burger. It's okay.
She said
We're all eating it for her.
Exactly.
I'm in Clinton Hill, Brooklyn, about to meet husband and wife team Matt and Emily Highland, the owners of Emily, the most popular restaurant in Brooklyn right now. This pizzeria not only has amazing pizza, but actually one of the best burgers I've had all year, the Emmy Burger. I'm gonna get into the kitchen with Matt and learn all about it. Okay, so we just got in the kitchen with chef owner Matt Highland, and we are going to make the Emmy Burger. This burger, I'm not just saying this, it is the best burger I've ever had.
Oh, thank you.
And I've had a lot of burgers. I do eat for a living, so this is like, for me, like when I had it, we were like,
There really wasn't much thought going into the burger other than I was a little bit sick of eating pizza and I wanted to eat a burger because I didn't have a lot of time to go out.
all of a sudden, people are lining up literally down the block, like 3-4 hour waits.
Yep, for the burger.
Let's start. How do we begin with this? Obviously,
Yep, we have pretzel buns from Tomcat Bakery. We get these every other day. They're beautiful. We get Fleischer's dry-aged beef.
why dry aged? Like that's a very unique thing. Not every restaurant does that.
Yeah, it is a little more expensive to get dry-aged beef, but I think it does make a difference because it is a little bit funky. It's a little bit unusual tasting. It's grass-fed and dry-aged, so it has a little minerally grass-fed to it, and the dry-age just makes it a little bit of that background freak taste, which everyone kind of loves.
Deep meat.
That's a great way to put it.
You get the deep meat. And do not be afraid to salt that puppy.
Nice and
that-
salty.
That's what brings out that flavor.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't season well, it's kind of a waste of the meat.
I agree, it's just bland.
Oh yes. That is good times. You sear it on both sides.
Yep.
You want to get a nice golden caramelization going on.
Yeah,
nice
definitely.
crust. 2 minutes each side, 9-minute rest, and then you have the perfect medium rare. Talk to me about your caramelized onions, because these onions are like sweet crack.
They're just Spanish onions, regular
onions.
Spanish onions, and they're reduced for 8 or 9 hours with half a pound of butter through a gigantic thing. It's really very simple, nothing else.
Look at that. Glory. I'm very excited about that. It smells like a fucking proper steak. The burger is off the grill,
It's off the grill.
and it's got a beautiful crust, a beautiful sear.
That Grafton cheddar is just going to sit on top
Oh, is there garlic in there?
a little bit.
Oh, there's a tiny little bit of garlic in that butter. So the second that pretzel bun hit the flat top, it's kind of like you just get that buttery garlic smell.
While we're waiting, we'll put the Emmy sauce on the,
I kind of want to try a little.
of course.
Gorgeous. Heat. It's got that vinegary punch. Oh yes, gorge.
Some melted cheese on there.
Gorge.
Caramelized onions right here.
Yes, yes you do.
A lot of caramelized onions.
You go heavy on top.
Might as well.
I'm never speechless. But there's not that much I can really say right now. Look at this. Look at
There it
this.
is.
I'm sorry, I have to take a picture of this. That's just, it's dripping with juiciness. I can't. I'm so happy that this is all mine. Okay, this is insane. Thank you for having
Oh,
me.
thank you for coming in.
I'm obsessed with everything that you guys do,
really
and
appreciate
I'm going
that.
to be here basically. I'll be here tomorrow.
Wonderful.
It's amazing. Guys, come in and get the burger. It's insane. Now leave me be. Leave us be with our burger.
No more cookies.
And we're done.
We're done.
We have this to work on.